Hey there, it's Coach Nancy with The Watering Mouth. I am here today to present 5 surprising benefits of the Eat to Live lifestyle. Now, you may know that the Nutritarian way of eating is fabulous for longevity, for weight regulation. You may know those things because those are quite popular, and that's probably why a lot of you have come into this way of living, this lifestyle, this way of eating. But there are 5 surprising benefits that I want to remind you of or let you know of, because it might just help you as you navigate the why am I doing what I'm doing question that your brain will offer you. So the first one that I want to talk about is it'll curb your cravings. No kidding. This is like magic. I tell you, one of my favorite sayings that anybody who is in our community knows that I will say, eat your greens by any means. Greens are the number one thing in the G-bombs. They're the first thing in G-bombs, right? Greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, seeds, nuts, greens. Baby, eat your greens by any means. Greens, rich leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables. They're fabulous for curbing cravings. They have micronutrient magical properties that help you to stop craving. I'm not kidding. That's a surprising benefit of eating those greens. So people may be bad talking kale and whatever, let them. You know they're a secret weapon in your weight regulation. Okay, so number 1, curb the cravings. I've got my list. I need to get it back up so I can see it. Clarity. So I'm not a doctor and I don't play one on TV or on this YouTube channel, but my brain got clearer as I cleaned up what I ate, as I began to eat differently, as I began to concentrate on plants and lots of greens. And there's just a clarity of thinking and clarity in my body. I just feel better. I mean, that's the biggest benefit, is feeling better inside and outside. So the clarity, the calming the cravings, energy and vitality. I mean, I eat this way, and can you tell I'm 90 years old? Kidding. Totally kidding. I'm 59 and I'm proud of it. I have more energy and vitality in the past decade of my life, now that I'm eating to live, than I had in my 40s. It's amazing. As a matter of fact, I had so much energy when I first started this that I had to start jogging instead of walking because I just had so much energy to spare. So energy, vitality, who doesn't want that? Lightness. Just a lightness of movement, I'm lighter on my feet now, and you'll just feel lighter. It's a lighter footprint, if you will, as you go around this world. And then a 5th one, I think I'm up to 5, ease of movement. It's just easier to bend down, to squat down, to get on and off the toilet. It's just easier to do things in a lighter body, ease of movement. I have a friend who's on Eat to Live. She's been on it for a year now, and she's dedicated to it, and her joint pain has gone away. My joint pain, I used to have weird pains in my fingers. I think probably arthritis. I don't know. I haven't been diagnosed, but no more. They don't hurt anymore. Ease of movement. Oh my gosh. Clarity, calm the cravings, energy and vitality, lightness, ease of movement, just feeling better. Huge benefits of changing how you eat. It's amazing. If all this sounds fabulous to you, but you're not sure how you can do it, put this lifestyle, change your lifestyle to the Eat to Live Nutritarian way of eating, maybe a life coaching partnership could be helpful to you. I'm happy to get on a strategy call with you to see how I can be of support, assistance, help you specifically, how to change your mindset, how to change the way you feel about eating this way, how to change your life. I'd be happy to talk to you. Come to thewateringmouth.com/coach with Nancy, fill out a strategy call form, and we can get together and chat. I would love to do that for you. It's an honor for me to coach. Until next time, it's Coach Nancy. Talk soon.